little friends! It's Lucy here. Today, Lucy is going to explore a super special model with you. Wow! Here we have a green and peaceful farm with gentle animal friends, big and strong land dinosaurs from prehistoric times, mysterious prehistoric sea animals swimming below, and even a hot prehistoric land too. Come on! Open your bright little eyes and let's play, learn, and explore together with Luxy. First, Lucy places 4 green grass mats neatly on the table. Then, Lucy uses colorful pebbles to make a little road. Lucy spreads yellow sand around the grass. And remembers to leave a round space for a blue water pond. Next, Lucy adds red sand to make a hot and tough land. Lucy places rocky mountains and adds a blue waterfall in the middle, so the water can trickle down. Lucy stretches blue slime along the stones to make a river and an underwater world. After that, Lucy places a volcano, lava rocks, dry trees, and cactus plants. Near the waterfall, Luxy adds big green trees and small bushes. Around the pond, Luxy places a few cute little trees. Finally, Lucy places a house and a barn and adds flowers, green trees, and baskets of vegetables. Wow! The farm looks so peaceful and calm. now the model is finished. Let's explore the animals together with Luxie. Flying dinosaur. Flying dinosaurs lived a very long time ago. They had big wings to fly high in the sky. Their bodies were light compared to their size. They flew over land and water to look for food. They ate fish and small animals. They often lived near seas and rivers. Cryolophosaurus. Cryolophosaurus lived in very cold places long ago. It had a special crest on top of its head. It walked on 2 strong back legs. This dinosaur was a meat eater. It hunted smaller animals for food. It lived during ancient dinosaur times. Dilophosaurus. Dilophosaurus had 2 crests on its head. Its body was long, slim, and fast. It moved mostly on 2 legs. It was a meat-eating dinosaur. Sharp teeth helped it catch prey. It looked strong and powerful. Triceratops. Triceratops had 3 big horns on its head. Its head was large and very hard. It was a plant-eating dinosaur. It used its horns to protect itself. Its body was big and heavy. Even though it was big, it was gentle. Dinogorgon. Dinogorgon was a prehistoric meat-eating animal. It had long and sharp teeth. Its body was strong and muscular. It was a dangerous hunter. It hunted animals on land. It looked like a scary ancient beast. Armored dinosaur. This dinosaur had hard armor on its body. Its tail had a big club for defense. It was a plant-eating dinosaur. It moved slowly but very safely. Enemies found it hard to attack. It was like a tank from prehistoric times. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus lived in the prehistoric ocean. Its body was very long and huge. It swam very fast in the water. Mosasaurus was a fierce meat eater. It had big, sharp teeth. It was the king of the ancient sea. Ichthyosaur. Ichthyosaur looked like a dolphin. It lived fully in the water. It swam quickly and smoothly. It ate small fish. Its big eyes helped it see underwater. It was gentler than other sea hunters. Glyptodon. Glyptodon looked like a giant armadillo. Its body was covered with hard armor. It was a plant-eating animal. It moved slowly and heavily. Its shell protected it from danger. It lived long ago in prehistoric times. Tylosaurus. Tylosaurus lived in the prehistoric sea. It had a long and strong body. It swam very fast underwater. It was a meat-eating animal. Sharp teeth helped it hunt well. It was a very dangerous sea hunter. Pigs live on farms. They have round and chubby bodies. They use their noses to dig in the ground. They eat many different foods. They love playing in mud. Pigs are very familiar to children. Goats love to climb. They eat grass and leaves. They have curved horns on their heads. They move quickly and carefully. They usually live in groups. They say ba ba. Chickens live on farms. They have feathers and small wings. Roosters crow in the morning. Hens can lay eggs. Chickens scratch the ground for food. They eat grains and small insects. Cows have big bodies. They eat grass every day. They give milk to people. They move slowly and gently. They often live in herds. Cows are very important on farms. Mountain goats live in high mountains. They are very good at climbing rocks. Their hooves are strong and firm. They eat grass and leaves. They are not afraid of steep land. They move very skillfully. Wolves live in forests or grasslands. They hunt together in packs. Wolves are very smart. They can run very fast. They make long howling sounds. Wolves are ancestors of dogs. Macrauchenia was a prehistoric animal. It had a tall body and long neck. Its nose looked like a small trunk. It was a plant eater. It lived on land. It looked very strange and unique. Musk oxen live in cold places. They have very thick fur. Their bodies are big and strong. They eat grass to survive. Their horns help them defend themselves. They are very good at handling cold weather. Saber-toothed lions lived in prehistoric times. They had very long, sharp teeth. They were meat-eating animals. They hunted strongly and bravely. They looked very scary. They are now extinct. saber-toothed tiger, saber-toothed tigers looked like modern tigers. They had long, curved teeth. They could run very fast. They hunted alone. They lived on land. They were ancient predators. Pythons are long reptiles. They do not have legs. They move by slithering. They catch prey by squeezing tightly. They swallow prey whole. They live in forests or near water. Spotted hyena. Spotted hyenas have spots on their bodies. Their jaws are very strong. They eat meat and leftovers. They live in groups. Their sounds can sound like laughing. They are very smart animals. Wow, we finished exploring the model. There were dinosaurs, prehistoric animals, and a lovely little farm too. Thank you for playing with Luxie. See you in the next adventure.